Welcome. If you're tired of constant Dropbox alerts popping up on your phone, this quick guide will help you set your Dropbox default notifications to silent so you can stay focused without distractions. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all notification controls begin. Scroll down until you find Apps or Applications, depending on your device's layout, and tap on it. Next, look through your list of installed apps and find Dropbox. Once you spot it, tap to open the app settings. Here you'll see several options that control how Dropbox behaves on your device. Now, tap on Notifications. This section manages all the alerts Dropbox can send, from uploads to shared files and syncing updates. Inside, you'll find different notification types grouped under something called notification categories. Tap on that to open a more detailed list. From there, locate the category labeled Default. This controls most of the standard alerts you usually receive. Tap on Default to open the options. At this point, you'll see sound preferences attached to these notifications. Choose Silent to stop any chime or sound whenever a Dropbox alert comes in. This keeps the message visible in your notification bar, but without any noise, perfect for maintaining focus without missing important updates. Once you've made that change, simply exit your settings. That's it, your Dropbox default notifications are now completely silent. No more random pings interrupting your work or study time. You'll still get updates as usual, but in a calm, unobtrusive way. It's an easy fix that takes just a minute but makes your phone experience noticeably more peaceful. So the next time Dropbox needs your attention, it'll do it quietly on your terms. If you found this guide useful, consider adjusting other app notifications too, so your phone only alerts you when it truly matters. Thanks for watching.